All right, here we go. So one way of doing it is we're going to select color range, select the background color. In this case, fuzziness at full seems to do the trick. And we can just delete that. We just put a color behind it so you can see. It's not at. It's pretty good. But also, I thought there is actually kind of another way of doing this. Oops. So, say we have this yellow background. We can use some of the blending options on the right layer. Now you can end up with some weird situations, but it is a quick and easy way sometimes to get it done. And that's about it.